Alright, forum members. I was up all night making mods that I need to have put out today. And this morning I got this wonderful surprise. 150 of these. I've had time to play around with this one a little bit. And had shot a little bit of silicone into this one. It turns pretty good after, I'm sure, a tiny break period and a little bit of lube. You can see right there, Rubik's. I don't know, it's a little bit blurry. I'm pretty excited about this. I'll show you. That's a lot of Rubik's Cubes, you know? I don't think I've ever seen that many in my house before. Here's the list. I'll have all of these set up today. Jason 9000's already paid his shipping, so he gets his shipped out today. I'm invoicing the rest of you guys for these today, and they'll be shipped out probably the day you get invoiced if it's early enough in the day. But there's your update.